Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bernard. Here is Eshuli TV. I give you welcome once again on Eshuli TV. Eshuli TV is a YouTube channel which provide different electronic skills in basic electronics and advanced electronics. Today we are going to show you how to solve the problem of LG. If you have a smart TV LG and you forget a password or PIN, don't be scared, don't be afraid. It is easy to reset password even if you forget it. Here is a video of how to solve that problem. Step by step, follow that video. First of all, you have to plug your TV in the power and you must have a remote control. It's remote control. You have to turn it on. Follow step by step how to reset the password. If you forget it, it is easy and possible. Don't be afraid of that. Sometimes people try to protect the TV, and sometimes they can forget a password. It is possible to solve that. You see, for example, now here is an example. Let's try to play a video on flash. You see, here is to flash. You see that it is asking us to enter a PIN or to enter the password. If you forget it, for example, let me place any password. Place OK. You see that the password that I put is incorrect. That means I already forget it. And how to solve it? First of all, you have to come to, by using this remote, place on setting button and come here to all settings, place enter, come to safety. You see, come down here to safety, place OK. Then by using allow button, this one, come over there, don't come here to TV rating logs. Don't click on enter, and you have to place on your remote control, double click on channel positive or channel plus, click 2 times, and click also to channel minus, channel down 1 time, and again place on channel plus. You see that it asks you to enter master PIN. Master PIN of LG is place, you have to place 0. You see, place here to 0, 3, 1, 3. Then place to enter. You see, place enter here. Then after, you will come to reset PIN code. You see, now you will place your code which is 0 4 times. Place 0 4 times. You see, 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros. Then come here to OK. Place OK. Then here you will be asked to set your new password or your new PIN. For example, let's place 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the PIN, the new PIN we set. What they ask you is to confirm that PIN. What we choose is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have to repeat the first code you set. Then click on OK. Now the TV is resetted pin. Now you see here you can change from safety on to off. Then put the set password is 1, 2, 3. No, right, a wrong one is 1. Okay, let's click by using this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that this password is the one we confirm. Then press OK. You see that our TV safety is off. Now let's test by playing video on flash. Place here. You see now it don't require us a password because we go there to settings and safety, we put it on off. So now we can play our videos on our TV. We can access different inputs because our TV now is not locked. So thank you for following this video, and if it is helpful, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and make comment. Thank you for being with us.